Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. If you're planning for a year, sow rice. If you're planning for a decade, plant trees. And if you're planning for a lifetime, educate people. Respected guests, reverend fathers, sisters, esteemed parents, well-wishers, and my dear friends, Annual Day is a cherished occasion in the life of our institution. It is a moment to pause, to reflect on the journey traveled, to celebrate the milestone achieved, and to express gratitude to in all those who have contributed in the growth and success of our school.
With humility and pride, we now present before the august gathering the annual school report of St. Anne's School B CICSC 2025-26. 32 years of God's abundant blessings and unfailing grace, 32 years of dedicated service and sincere commitment, 32 years of academic excellence and holistic development, 32 years of growth, progress, and shaping the future leaders.
The vision of our school is empowering students to be a global citizen in a rapidly changing world through love for learning, critical thinking, and problem solving, respect for the core values of honesty, compassion for the fellow human beings, and care for the environment.
Our mission is to provide a safe, inclusive, and intellectually stimulating academic environment where students are encouraged to explore their potential, develop ethical character, and grow into a socially responsible individual, committed to excellence in every sphere of life. Students are encouraged to learn, grow, and realize their full potential in a nurturing environment free from all the forms of discrimination.
Aims and objectives of this noble institute are academic excellence, spiritual education, physical development, creative leadership, faith formation, value education, universal brotherhood, dignity of labor, social awareness, eco-friendliness.
Core values. The core values instilled by our institution are cheerfulness and positivity, love, kindness, and compassion, peace, harmony, and mutual respect, forgiveness and secular outlook, environmental responsibility and eco-friendliness. These values guide our students to grow into morally upright, socially sensitive, and responsible global citizen. The school instilled in us God's consciousness and love for the divine spirit by regular school assembly and meditation. Important days are observed in special prayers and praying for the needs of the world.
Salient features: implementation of the ICSE curriculum and other global educational standards. A team of dedicated, qualified, and experienced faculty committed to academic excellence and student welfare. Focus on overall personality development of student through balanced integration of scholastic and co-scholastic activities. Exposure to robotics and artificial intelligence, encouraging innovation and technological competence. A warm, secure, and homely atmosphere that supports emotional well-being and effective learning.
School avails to students varied chances to participate in different subject olympiads, NTSC exam, Homi Baba exam, scholarship exams, elementary and intermediate drawing exam, and they excel with flying colors. The academic progress is evaluated by conducting regular examinations, slip tests, projects, assignments, and quiz, practical exams, science and robotics exhibition. Our students have taken part in curricular, co-curricular and sports competition in district, state and national level and have won laurels to the school.
To bring out the best abilities of our students, the school provides ample opportunities to participate in different competitions such as allocation, quiz, extempo, notice board decoration, drawing, greeting card making, dance, music, spell bee, clay modeling and various sports competitions. Our pre-primary students are provided with a creative learning environment as we celebrate different colors day, fruits day, vegetables day, and it is real a fun way of learning concepts.
Faculties, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination and instill a love for learning. It is true, it's a pleasure that we have a team of dedicated, hardworking, cooperative and committed staff to seek to draw out the best in every child by the power of persuasion based as love and kindness. Our teachers are exposed to orientation programs and refreshment programs to enlighten their mind, deepen their knowledge and to broaden their understanding.
Celebrations. Life is a celebration of awakening, a new beginning, and wonderful surprises that enlighten the soul. Various events are celebrated with lot of vigor and fun. We celebrate
Environment Day,
an mischievous ceremony,
Sultan's Feast,
Raksha Bandhan,
Independence Day,
Teachers' Day,
Founders Day,
Gandhi Jayanti,
Rosary,
Children's Day,
Diwali celebration,
Constitution Day,
Literacy Day,
Maharashtra Day,
Workers Day,
Republic Day,
Fun Fair,
Christmas celebration,
Sports Day,
Women's Day,
Marathwana Day.
Outstanding achievements. Success in academics, not a destination to achieve overnight, but a journey shaped with discipline, dedication, and courage to learn from every step. It is a moment of great pride to present the outstanding result of Class 10 CIC students for the academic year 2024-25. We are proud to announce that in the academic year 2024-25, 161 students appeared for ICSE board examination and passed in flying colors. Master Yash Suresh Kumar Karwa stood first by securing 98.5% and also secured 107 different subjects. He are elated for his achievement. We thank God for his graces and blessings always explained.
Facilities. Facility shapes experience and experience shapes future. The school boasts well-equipped physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab, a modern computer lab, language lab, robotics lab, a maths lab, social science lab, and a resource-rich library that encourages inquiry, experimentation, and independent learning.
The campus also provides excellent facilities for sports, physical education, and cultural activities, including playgrounds and spaces for indoor and outdoor games, promoting physical fitness, teamwork, and discipline. Safety, hygiene, and well-being remain paramount, with provisions such as clean drinking water, hygienic sanitation facilities, medical support, counseling sessions, and a secure campus environment, ensuring a nurturing and a safe place for every learner. We are proud to announce that St. Fran's is only the school in Wales which provides for classes from nursery to class 10, the advanced interactive panels with digital 3D content to enhance teaching and learning process.
Good.
The school gives equal importance to the co-curricular activities and provide and provision to learn arts, craft, music, drawing, dance, taekwondo, and yoga. To reduce the academic learning stress, students are given chances for field trips, visit to industries, educational tours, and picnics.
Selfless service. Service to man is service to God. There are many socially committed works carried on by the institution. Our school is associated with many charitable works. Every year, we conduct fun fair and the amount is used for the welfare of the poor. There are 3 dropout centers run by the school which takes care of the education of 161 students, providing them regular tuition classes and stationery. Teaching classes are arranged for the poor young girls free of cost. This year, around 500 families were provided with provisions during the recent flood in our district. 50 rag pickers are provided with provisions and blankets. We have PTA association to discuss and decide the matters concerning school.
Thanking the management on this memorable occasion as we recount our success with pride and happiness. We wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed efforts of our management. We humbly salute our visionary people of past and the great ones of the present and seek divine grace and blessings to guide. We are blessed with a very encouraging and hardworking person, Sister Suhila, as the correspondent of our school. If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, these lines are true for none other than our dear principal, Sister Sharmila. She is the epitome of success and the captain of our school. As she joined the school, the institution made a lot of progress. We feel blessed in her company. Sister Sharmila Ann is a recipient of National Level De Rosier Award for Education and Human Development from ICSC Council.
The honor was bestowed upon her for dedicating major part of her life for the cause of school education, for initiating numbers of educational and social welfare program in our school.
Dear sister, hats off to you, and we are proud of you for all your generous contribution to the facelift of this institution. May the name of God be glorified through you. We wonder at your commitment and courage consistency in doing the things in a systematic way. We admire your disciplined personality and creativity in all the activities and affairs of this institute. The achievements this institute has attained speaks the volumes of your glorious contribution.
We are privileged to have Sister Shiny James, the Vice Principal of our school, whose constant support and encouragement in the affairs of school motivate us. I place a note of gratitude to all the leaders of our congregation, whose timely inspiration intervene in the success of decision-making process. We thank them for their generosity and keen interest in the upliftment of this institute. I join my hands in gratitude towards Reverend Sister Pauline Augustine, the Superior General, Sister Roja Pushpa, our Provincial, Sister Rosemary Matthew, the General Counselor in charge of education, Sister Sharmila Ann, the Provincial Counselor in charge of education, for their cooperation and support. May God bless you all in return.
I thank both the teaching and non-teaching staff for your contribution in building this institute and rising it to a great height of success. I thank the parent community for your cooperation and timely support. I thank the students for making this institute vibrant, alive and active with your presence and energy.
I bow my head in gratitude to God Almighty for His ever-bloom presence and blessing in this institution. Trusting in God alone, we leap into golden years of our future. For the Lord, who led us yesterday, is with us today and will lead us into tomorrow. Kneel before God, you can stand before man. Kneel before God, you can stand before man. Walk with God, you will never walk alone, never walk alone.